Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to show you guys how I've been doing my hair on day one lately. If you guys don't follow me, I will link a video right here for you to understand where I'm coming from. I am dealing with some pretty intense high porosity for the past month, and I'm trying to recover from it. I'm trying to help my hair as much as possible to retain moisture and not to break, you know. Also, I have fine wavy to curly hair, and voila, that's that. All right, so with no further ado, let's get this party started. I started this whole routine last night by applying oil all over my hair and braiding my hair. So this morning was wash day, and so my hair was really oily and greasy, which is exactly what I wanted. And I started by washing my hair with the shampoo from Malibu, the hard water shampoo from Malibu. I pretty much put it on my roots and let the rest go throughout my hair. This shampoo is meant to take out all the harsh chemical from maybe the swimming pool. If your water is hard water, this shampoo is your best friend. It also helps out with the build-up product in your hair, and since I had a lot of oils on my hair, this is the type of shampoo I was looking to use. Then I used their crystal package, that's how I call it, but I'm not sure what the exact name is. Those crystals are supposed to again help with all the harsh chemicals that are in your hair. It's kind of like a soap texture, but it doesn't leave your hair harsh and brittle like a hard shampoo would. Then I rinse it off and I apply the conditioner. Now this conditioner from Malibu is super moisturizing, super silky. It helps to detangle your hair very well. And I decided not to rinse the conditioner and add a little bit of the 1 minute hair mask from Garnier and put everything in a bonnet and go about the rest of my shower. Once I was done showering, I used the hooded hair dryer to apply a little bit of heat on my hair so that it could absorb as much moisture as possible. I let it sit for about 10 minutes. During that time, I went through a few magazines and just, you know, did the usual stuff. Once the time was up, I went ahead and rinsed my hair. Next, it was time for styling. For today, I decided to use the Jessica line of product. I started by first applying the rocking ringlets to help with the curl definition. Then I decided to put a little bit of Natural Modern Natural combing cream on the length and tips of my hair to help with moisture. And finally, I use the, what you call it again? And finally, I use the Spiralicious gel from JC Curl to lock everything in. Lately, I've been styling my hair upside down and it's been giving me a lot of volume, so this is what I did today. It was hard to show you guys on camera properly because when my head is upside down, well, I can't see what I'm showing you, but I tried my best to make sure that I had somewhat of a curl definition all over my hair and not just messy curls. I tried to rack and shake as much as I could, and I hand curled a few sections of my hair that I know don't really curl well. And then I diffused my hair with my head upside down. Well, this is it. This is the end result. You know what? I'm not mad at it at all. I think my hair looks very shiny, very healthy. It does not look dry or brittle. Now it's been about, what time is it? 3:12. It's been about an hour since I diffuse my hair, and usually this is when I would start to see a lot of dryness, especially in this area of my hair, and it looks really moist, really shiny. This is what I'm looking for. Now you're gonna say that's a lot of work. I don't do all of this all the time. This is like a day one heavy setting up my hair for success for the next 3 days. Okay, on day two, like tomorrow, I'll probably spray my hair with a little bit of water and conditioner from Malibu, and then I will either wreck and shake and then restyle a little bit, you know, refresh. And my hair, I'm not going to do all of this craziness. And depending if I work out or not, I will have to cleanse my scalp at some point, and usually that's like day 3, and that's when I do a mask, you know. So this is like heavy duty for day 1, but it sets me up for the next 2 to 3 days. Again, I have fine wavy to curly hair. It needs a lot of TLC. Right now I have high porosity like nobody's business, and I'm really trying to help my hair to feel better, to look better, and to grow better. Well, my love, this is it for today. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you have any questions, and then share with me what's your technique to keep your hair porosity at bay. And then voila, all the products that I use are available in my Amazon store, and the link is in the description box. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me to rank my videos up so more people can see it. Feel free to subscribe if you have not yet and you've been watching several of my videos. Come join the family, come and subscribe, and then yeah, share this video if you think it can help a friend. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.